How to add clip art and shapes. We have provided a selection of clip art and shapes for you to use in your designs. To use these, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click the clip art tab on the top left-hand side of the studio. This will then load all the clip art and shapes we offer. You can choose to filter these to easily find what you are after. To filter, click the drop-down menu and choose your desired category. Step 2. Once you have chosen your category, click and drag the clip art or shape you wish to use to the page. You can then resize and move it to suit your needs. You can also click a clip art, and it will be loaded to the page too, ready to resize and move. Clip art generally cannot be stretched, but some of our shapes can. Adding shapes. We have also provided some shapes for you to use. To add these, choose shapes from the drop-down menu. These work just like the clip art, but the squares can be stretched to fill a space. You can then create banners or large areas of color using the shapes.